We're going to pick up something today that I've been waiting almost a month for. I'm super excited to go pick this up. This is a big upgrade that's long overdue for my garage. But this whole back wall is about to get a major makeover. We picked up a new toolbox. This is the US General Series 3 72-inch toolbox. I believe they call this color slate gray, and it matches perfectly with the theme of the garage. But it probably is a little overkill for what I'm needing, honestly. But this gives me room as I continue to buy tools to have space to put them all. Because as you guys have seen in my videos, I've been working out of this toolbox for probably like 3 or 4 years now. And could I organize it better and make it work? Sure. But I'm starting to have stuff lined up down there. I got stuff over here, got stuff in there. And I'm really trying to minimize this, but also kind of clean up this area. I'm really hoping to eliminate this shelf and just have this and then the new toolbox. I already have this sold. I would love to keep it, but I just don't have room. There's just a lot of stuff in here, which eventually this will all be going once we're done with her car. But I like to max my floor space, so that way I can comfortably have the 3 cars in here and work. Eventually I'd love to get the hutch for this, but I just didn't really feel like blowing that much money right away. There's not much else to do, so let's get this stuff swapped over into the new box. Hopefully this is about to be as enjoying for you guys as it is for me. I can't wait to get this thing all organized and just how I want it. Pretty much have this cart empty now. I didn't show you guys, but this was way harder than I thought to organize all this. There's a lot of empty room. I pretty much didn't want to buy a toolbox that I would eventually outgrow. I kind of wanted to buy one that has plenty of room for me to continue to buy tools and not outgrow it, which is what this was for. I really don't know like what drawers I should like put what in. I don't know, I feel like the depth of like drawers I feel like should get certain things. I don't know if that makes sense for you guys. One thing I do like about this box is that it has the built-in battery, which is sick. I can keep all my batteries in here. And one of the main things that I really liked about this box is it has a really deep drawer. I don't know what I wanted to use it for, but then I thought about putting all my impacts and stuff down here, so that way they're not on top like they were in my old box. They're hidden, tucked away. Now all I need to do is reorganize those 2 things. Hopefully I can combine them all into one and then scoot this over a little bit. Eventually I do want to get one of the cabinets on the end, and then to eliminate that whole thing and have a nice looking toolbox in the center with everything in the sides. finally have everything put away and in its own home. There's obviously a few loose ends that I still need to finish up, but as you guys saw, we got that other shelf eliminated and we were able to fit everything into here. Now I'm not exactly satisfied with this. A lot of these shelves are bowing, so some stuff likes to, you know, slide a little bit. But it's not the end of the world. But this looks way better in here. So much more neat and kind of tucked away where it's just not out in the open. I had like random boxes of hardware just from doing things around the house and like little jobs. And I found this cool little organizer set at Harbor Freight. And obviously I need to go through all this, but it kind of looks nice. I have a couple extra boxes. I don't know what to do with them just yet. But eventually I want to clean this all up. But this is just going to take time to go through all these boxes. I have a lot of random little hardware from ever since I first started working on cars, somewhere in these little bins, and there's going to be a long process to go through all that. And I finally have a workbench area for the garage, which I've not had something like this in a long time, of an actual table to do little jobs on. I'm super excited with how the back wall is turning out. I feel like I need to hang some banners up. I have a whole stack that were hung up before we redid the garage, and I've just never hung them up. I don't know if I want to put them on this wall or over here on this wall, but I feel like the garage is looking kind of empty. I'm personally super excited to start using this box. I'm super excited with all the projects I have planned to work out of something a little nicer. Let me know what you guys think of this purchase down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. And as always, stay stancy. I'll see you guys in the next one.